we're doing 2 more Pokemons. And we have 3 more to do another video. See? So we have this one that we have. And we have this one and this one.
All right.
You gotta say what they're called.
They're called Cosmic Eclipse, huh, Bex?
Yep, Cosmic
Sun and
Eclipse.
Moon, suckers.
I wanted that one.
All right.
Switch.
All right.
Open up mine. Wait, is that even a unicorn? Oh yeah, it is. It's just upside down.
Oh my god, I'm craving that so much.
What? What?
You guys are already recording?
Yep.
Yep.
Mama's messing up the recording, huh?
And then we're gonna
Shaboom. Right there. All right, hold on.
Cold.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4, and then you go like this. All right.
And guys, I just cleaned up the table. All the time at the back is like messy, but now all of it is clean.
Ready? You gotta show them like that, remember?
So first is this one.
Ah.
First is this one.
Hand it to me and I'll show close. Boom.
This one is. Oh, you can see the shiny. You can't let them see it. You can only see the top of the shiny.
Okay. Dang, there's a shiny. She already saw it. She cheated.
No, I didn't. It just was peeking out.
It's peeking out.
Yeah.
It's okay. Ah, I dropped it. Oh, that's like a.
That's like a kitty.
It's a lion looking thing. Move.
This
All right.
one looks cool.
Let me see. Shoot. Come close like this. So I can do it close. Boom.
Boom.
Let me see.
We're almost to the.
Hold it up here. All right.
And I know
that's
how.
energy. Oh, we can see it. It's shining. Look at that.
Ah! No,
What's this one?
fire? I don't know. Wait. 3 more.
Hold it. Ah!
Oh my god, they almost
That
cheated.
looks pretty cool. What is
Yeah,
that?
we almost cheated.
All right, let me see.
And I have one loose too.
All right, don't bend it. Don't bend it. Oh, that's a
Crap.
reverse holographic.
Oh, that's our reverse.
All right.
We have a children too.
Hold it. Show 'em. Boom.
Another one. We have 2 holographics.
This is a full holographic. Wait, is it?
Full holographic.
Oh, this one's cool.
All right, so we're gonna vote for our holographics in a minute because we're gonna do this.
All right, so we got the.
Oh, it's not a unicorn. It just goes this way.
We got.
Or we can do it this way.
All right, this one's mine.
I know, but we're gonna share. Okay, we're gonna share.
All right.
We're gonna share. We're gonna share. We have 2
Yep, leave them right there.
of limits. We have 2 limited editions.
Okay.
There's
Shaboom.
QR code. QR
Outta here.
code.
1,
2,
2, 3. Foot can't look. Cheater, Bo beater. All right. Now I'm gonna try to do it so you can't see it again. Ooh, that looks cool. Look at it, it's like a ring.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna vote for that one, and
Yeah, that one's cool.
maybe we can vote for 3 this time.
Oh, look at that one.
We can vote
That's
for
like a little cool panda
we
guy.
can vote for 3 today,
Oh yeah.
or 4, or 6, or 9. I'm gonna vote for 9.
Tangela.
Tangela. Oh, he looks so cute.
Eevee. We got the.
Eevee?
Yep.
Eevee's in the Descendants movie.
We have an Eevee promo card. It's up there. Remember?
Yeah.
Oh, energy.
What?
What is this?
What the heck?
Tag team. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, so they can like tag and things. I don't know. I think they only put tag. Oh, that looks so cute. We get. I'm gonna vote for 14. You can vote for 14.
Ooh, look at that one.
Ooh, that one's girly. I'm gonna vote for 4.
Slurpuff.
You can vote for 14 too, Dad.
Ready? 1,
2,
2, 3.
Ah!
Oh no.
Let me see.
Nope. It's
That
not
one's
them.
not even good. Well, this one's gooder because it's pink, and that
Yeah,
one's
we'll
cute.
put that one with our stuff over here. This is... That's cool.
Cute.
Okay, put them together.
All right, then we're gonna vote. We can vote for these ones. All
Okay,
right.
which one do you like?
So I like. We get to pick. I'm gonna vote for 4.
Which
So
one?
I get to vote for these and these.
Actually, we all like these, so me and Becky are gonna pick these. Oh, feel soft. Go ahead, show 'em.
This one is my favorite. Which one is your favorite?
This one. I like this one.
But I thought you liked blue.
Yep, this one looks cool.
Yeah, I like this one.
All right.
Because it's pink. All right, now we get to vote for the regulars.
All right,
Regulars. Get to vote for the
Put these
regular
over here.
smigglers.
Okay.
Right, let's vote for our regular smigglers. All right, put them down.
That one, I think. Voting for that one.
I'm voting for that one too.
All right, we both picked the same one, and it's cool.
All right, we get
All right, tell everybody.
to point it up to my face. To like and subscribe and turn in your bell notifications. And we bought some lunch for me, so make sure you go check it out. I don't know what